I'm in first grade, so I'll pick that. Neato! A fun fishing adventure! Fish until you find the sunken ship. Oh, I'm excited! I think 9 is the answer. Hey, I got it right! But you know what's great about Adapted Mind? If I can't figure out the problem, like this one, I can click here to get an explanation from a real teacher. This helps me understand the concepts I don't quite get yet. Wow, look, a pet! Let's click on it to customize it. The more we play, the more pets we earn. Ooh, I love pets!
Madam,
On a sunken ship together. Adapted Mind is so much fun. Click here to come play with me again. Quick, before time's up.
Rekha madam,
4, 3.
वेगळा व्हिडिओ होता हा. रेखा मॅडम, व्हिडिओ वेग
My family can be so confusing. Sometimes their words don't mean what they say. When it's an idiom they're choosing, misunderstandings get in the way. My dad said it's raining cats and dogs now, so I ran outside just to see. I got really drenched in the rainstorm, but never saw a spot of pee-pee. You cracked me up, my grandma said, after I told her one of my best jokes. She was still all in one piece. If I cracked her up, she never broke. My family can be so confusing. Sometimes their words don't mean what they say. When it's an idiom they're choosing, misunderstandings get in the way. My mom said to hit the sack. My dad said to hit the hay. I swung with my very best aim, but they made me go to bed anyway. When my brother said he'd toss his cookies, he put his hands over his lips. Up came macaroni and cheese, but I never saw one chocolate chip. My family can be so confusing. Sometimes their words don't mean what they say. When it's an idiom they're choosing, misunderstandings get in the way. You're barking up the wrong tree. You hit the nail on the head. This cake is out of this world. Why can't we speak English instead? Just go fly a kite. You're bouncing off the walls. You're up the creek without a paddle. Why must we use idioms at all? My family can be so confusing. Sometimes their words don't mean what they say. When it's an idiom they're choosing, misunderstandings get in the way. When it's an idiom they're choosing, misunderstandings get in the way.
Woo!
Thank you so much, Rekha ma'am. Hello children, good morning. How are you?
Yeah.
Yes.
I am fine.
Very good. Hope you are all doing good. Now we are going to see the next part. Before that, I would like to ask you some questions. Uh, did you watch the video carefully?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Then,
ma'am.
okay. Then, what did you understand from the video? What was it all about?
What idioms?
Idioms. Okay. Can you share one or two idioms from the video?
Tit for tat. Yes, ma'am.
From
Rain,
the
cats,
video.
and
Uh-huh.
dogs.
Raining cats and dog. Very good.
The,
And what its meaning? Hello.
the cupcake is out of the world.
Very good. Wait.
Very rainy.
Raining cats and dog means raining heavily. Okay. Very good. And other one shared by who shared that? Cake.
Isha.
Isha, what was that?
Means a cupcake is very delicious.
Very good. Cake
Try,
is
try,
out
but
of
don't
world
cry.
means? Uh-huh.
Try, but don't cry.
Was it there in the video? Yes, it is right. But was it there in the video? That is a proverb.
Tit for tat.
Okay, good. Next time when you watch a video, watch it very, very carefully because after each video, I am going to ask you some questions. Okay, so we'll start about this. Share my video. I'm going to share screen now. Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Right. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, this was done in the last. I am going to ask you some questions. Okay. In the beginning, I showed you this slide and I asked you some questions. What are the animals you can see on the screen? And then next, what I said that you are going to find some idioms about these animals. So have you found? Like you can see a snake, a dog, frog, cat, and a fish. Can you share any idiom related to these animals? One of these animals.
And cat and beauty.
I asked you to search some idioms related these animals. Okay. So for snake, there is an idiom like snake in the grass. Okay. A frog in a throat. And for cat, it's fighting like cats and dogs or like cat nap, means short sleep. And for fish, there is an idiom. Many idioms are there, but one idiom is that fish out of water. Now again, I am going to give you task. Okay. But for now, we will just revise for a while and then we'll go. Okay. See, here we have learned all these idioms in that day. Now I am going to ask you a question. Okay. Get ready for it. Okay. Do you remember this? Idioms means now when you are going to share me an idiom, please remember this. What is this? Ishika, please read. Ishika, will you read it for me? Hello, are you there, Ishika? Farhan Ansari, raise hand. Farhan, want to read? Farhan, do you want to read? Okay, Isha, will you read this?
Teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Add plus adjective plus as
plus
noun.
adjective as plus noun.
Okay, so idioms are formed or they frame like as when you are using only as idioms. Okay, so as plus adjective plus as plus noun. So when you are going to tell me any idiom, I am going to show you a picture. Don't forget to mention as and then adjective. Adjective means a word that says more about a noun. And then again as and then the noun you are using an adjective for. Okay. Shall I start now? Ready? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So here are some animals on your screen. Now choose one and tell me an idiom. Come on.
As clever as a fox.
As clever as a fox. Is there fox on a screen? That's good. You tried and that is really a nice idiom. But is there fox on a screen?
A teacher. Tail. Yes, teacher.
So
As busy as a bee.
very good. Very nice. As busy as a bee.
As
Means
quiet as a mouse. As strong as a dog. As a cat.
Wait. What about dog? As
Strong.
try to remember. Okay. We'll move
As
forward.
blind as a bat.
As blind as a bat. Very good. Okay, next.
As quiet as a mouse.
As quiet as a mouse. Really nice. Very good. Now which one remains? Dog. Can you remember what was dog? When there is an ill person, sick person, it is said that as dash as a dog. So what is the word?
As dash as a dog.
So you have to give me the word for dash. That is a blank place. Okay, so give me a
As hungry. As clear fox. As brave as a dog.
wait. I am talking about the ill person who is not in a good condition, who is sick person. So if we are saying that that person's condition, his health is really very bad. So if it is Damodar, so we'll say Mr. Damodar is as dash as dog. Now what is the word for that? If he is ill, he is not keeping well, he is very serious, then I gave you the word. It begins with S, just a 4-letter word, and ends with K. Tell. Four-letter words, begins with S, ends with K, and it is a synonym for
It's
ill.
a kind.
Sick, beta, sick.
Snake.
Sick, S-I-C-K, sick. Ill, azari.
Sick.
As sick as a dog. It means very sick. Okay. Now, as hungry as a bear. So we finished all this. Now move next. Can you tell me meaning of it? As blind as a bat means what?
A bat.
Fast.
Bat.
See what I told you, what we learned that day. Idioms
Bats fly
have
only in night.
no. Yes. Bat can see in night only. In daylight
Andhra,
they can't.
Andhra.
Andhra. But
Yeah.
as blind as a bat means a person who is not able to see or a very weak eyesight it has. He has very weak eyesight or poor eyesight. म्हणजे ज्याला चांगलं दिसत नाही ना त्याला आपण म्हणतो. आणि अजून एक मिनिंग मी सांगितला होता. Who can see very well but who ignores and pretend that he doesn't see anything. Even though he is knowing each and everything, he is behaving like that. As blind as a bat means he just ignores. He doesn't want to be a serious. And for that purpose also we say that as blind as a bat. म्हणजे जाणून बुजून एखादा मनुष्य जर मुद्दामून असं दुर्लक्ष करत असेल की नाही आणि तो असं वासवत असेल की मला काही दिसत नाही पण त्याला सगळं दिसतंय तो सगळं बघतोय. सो इज ही ब्लाइंड? No.
टीचर डोळे असून अंधळा.
Ah, very good. Now you are there. For that we use as blind as that. It means what? When you are using any idiom, there are the words, but don't take it literally. No literal meaning of those words. But those words are figurative, significant. They are symbolic. They show you something. They tell you something that is hidden meaning. That is something out of these words. Those are not the words. You have to take it as it is. No translation, word to word translation, no. But hidden meaning means something that is suggesting other than the words. Okay, the words are there. Those are the words for just as an idiom, but the actual meaning is different. Okay, we go for next. Fast. As free as a bird means
bird.
means
Bird have no work.
one. Who is saying?
Bird
Prathamesh?
have no work.
Bird have
No
No.
work.
no what? No.
No work.
It's not like that actually. It has work.
पक्षासारखा
But as free as bird means the way as his wish. Free person means he can behave as per his wish. That is as free as a bird. मी असं नाही त्याला काम नसतं असं नाही, म्हणजे काम असतं नाही असं नाही, पक्षाला काम नसतं कोणी सांगितलं. बट फ्री बर्ड मीन्स आपल्या मनाप्रमाणे वागणारा. सो ऍज फ्री ऍज बर्ड मीन्स देर इज नो लिमिटेशन. Nobody is means nobody has a remote of that person. Nobody says that you have to do this. But the person, when we refer this idiom as free as a bird means he is free as per his wish. He is as free as a bird means whatever comes to his mind, he can do it freely.
Free mind
is
bird.
Very good. Now next. As busy as a bee means, see, these are all animal idioms, but we use it, we refer it for a person, people. Okay. So what does it mean?
The bee is every time
येस येस,
busy.
राईट. कष्टाळू. तुम्ही मराठी ट्रान्सलेट करता, पण आपण इंग्रजीत बोलायचा प्रयत्न करायचा. वाय सो? बिकॉज वेन यू आर
Teacher,
लर्निंग.
the bee is busy her work.
Yes, very good. You can see always the bee is flying. So as busy as a bee means a very, very busy person, workaholic person who work all the time. आपण म्हणतो ना, work is worship. Like this, a busy person who always we see him always is working. That is, for busy person we refer this. Now see this. As hungry as a bear.
As bear.
As hungry as a bear.
Means what?
Bear is very hungry.
Hungry bear.
No bear is there. I told you that all these idioms we refer this for people. Okay, so the animal, their quality, that is just symbol, significant. And actual we use this for
Very
people.
hungry.
Very hungry.
Something.
Who very hungry? Very hungry person. Please keep in mind, we are not talking about the animals here, but just the qualities about the animals.
Symbol.
Yes, symbol. So when bear is hungry, he eats anything. Like that, when you are hungry, a hungry person can eat anything what comes in a plate. मग आपण तिकडे आवड निवड नाही करत, नाही मला हे नाही आवडत, मला ते नाही आवडत, मला कारलं नाही आवडत. जे येईल ते खातो आपण, because we are very much hungry. So it is referred for a hungry person. Next.
As wise
as an owl.
Okay.
As
means,
person.
very good. What is it?
An owl.
What is it? It means
As wise as a person.
means what? See, simply what I told you, that this is all
Anything.
in as wise as an owl means very intelligent person. Very intelligent person. See, owl is a symbol of intelligence. That's for actually generations in Greek. Actually, it is for the
Teacher, as
goddess
intelligent
Athena. I
as
told you.
any person.
As
Intelligent and as intelligent and any person.
no. See, as wise as an owl means he is very intelligent. Okay. Now replace this.
As
He
wise as
is
an Joshi.
owl. No, he is as wise as an owl. When you use the idiom, don't break it. Take as it is. Now, you are not going to replace the idiom, but you are going to use it in a situation. Okay. Now, suppose you have to say that your teacher is very brilliant. Your teacher is very intelligent. Now, using this
As
idiom,
wise as a teacher.
no, don't
As
replace
wise as
owl.
an Joshi. As
As a
No,
person.
wait. See, this is an idiom, as wise as an owl. You don't have to remove any word from the given idiom, okay? You will not remove, you will keep the whole idiom as it is. Before that, you have to add like, my teacher is as wise as an owl. My friend
my
Sangeeta
teacher
is
is
as
as
wise
wise as an owl.
Okay, now give me another sentence. Give me another.
टीचर तुलना करणे म्हणजे
Of course, very good. As means as when we compare. Okay, give me other sentence now fast.
as wise as an Joshi.
No. See what
My
As wise an owl.
before that use anything like
my
I just.
neighbor. Teacher, my neighbor is as wise as an owl.
Very good. What she said, my neighbor is as wise as an owl. Now one more thing.
as wise as my grandmother as
Huh?
wise as an owl.
My grandmother, where is the verb? My grandmother is. Okay. Now you are there. Now tell me for next slide. Okay. Now see, read this one.
As quiet as a mouse.
Okay. As
a mouse.
wait. As quiet as a mouse means a mouse
Very quietly.
very quietly.
He do our work very quietly.
Wait. Somebody said that. Let him say.
Please do your work.
Please do your work as quiet as a mouse. As quiet as a mouse. Whole idiom place at the end. Okay. Before that, use
Yes,
something and you always nominate. It is really very good if you use a name.
Mother is
My friend,
as a mouse.
my friend is as quiet as a mouse.
My friend. Wait. Let her finish one more time because two people
My
were talking.
friend is as quiet as a mouse.
Now see, here you can add one more thing. My friend Sita entered the room. ती घरात आली. मला कळलंच नाही ना आलेली. Because she
Oh,
was
teacher.
as quiet as a mouse. So my friend Sita entered the room as quiet as a mouse. Without knowing other person. Without letting you know.
टीचर ती उंदरासारखी घरात घुसली.
His work as quiet as a mouse.
Yes, okay. See, you can see that some people they work together, but very few people are there. They work very
Teacher,
quietly.
Teacher, my friend Avantika entered the classroom as quiet as a mouse.
Very good. Now you are there. Very good. I like it. Now next, Omkar Gardev. For this, can you tell me for this? Now see.
The dog.
Yes. As sick as a dog means what?
As is had.
Means what? Means what?
Very teacher म्हणजे की आजारी.
Very see, try to speak in English. Okay, Azar, you know the word. Which is the word for that?
ill.
See, what is there given?
Sick.
Means
Sick.
very sick person. Very sick person. It is very, very simple. Okay. So as sick as a dog means very sick person. Now tell me a sentence for this. Tell me a sentence.
My grandfather as sick as a dog.
Okay. Now tell me what she is missing. Really very good. But you have missed a word. Which word you is very good.
Friend Tara is as sick as a dog.
Very good. Means how sick Tara is? She is really very sick. Very nice. Can you, other who is there? Gauri or Sabhuti?
Yes, madam.
Please give me a sentence. Other sentence for same. Try.
Teacher,
My
friend
Wait,
Reena is
one at a time.
Reena is as sick as a dog.
Very nice. Very good. Now you got it.
Sick as a dog.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. You are doing really well.
My
Okay. For this. Now, as
Sly as a fox.
As sly
means
as
what?
a fox.
Means what?
Sky has
As means
Wait.
clever is fox is very clever.
No, but here we are talking about his quality that is not good. Clever, sly,
Yes,
cunning,
the
cunning.
bad clever
Bad.
fox.
Yes, very good. Means he is clever, he is cunning. Cunning means he is not good for us.
Teacher, the thief.
clever.
Wait. Yes. No.
The
Don't
thief-
replace the word. She
The
was telling.
thief is as sly as a fox.
Very good. The thief is, or you can say was, as sly as a fox. Now other thing. If the person is very, very cunning. See, I told you that we all use these idioms in reference of people. Okay. So any other thing?
As Goenka as
See, use this idiom, use other name. Okay. Give me other sentence for the same. Just pick any name that comes to your mind. That is not in real. Okay. We are just practicing. So take any name.
Kyra is as sly as a fox.
Very good. And where this character comes from? कशातलं character आहे?
Teacher हे white character मधून येतं.
Yes, that is why. That's why I asked that you can take any name. And now if you are just talking like that, you have to use the idiom. Use any name that comes to your mind. Okay, because we are just practicing.
teacher.
My
friend Geeta as sly as a fox.
As sly as a fox. Very good. And here again, if you omit my friend, if you just use Sita, that is also okay. Yes.
Tara has a Mary has a fox.
Correct again. Come again. Say again. Tara is.
Tara has.
No, Tara is. Has means.
Tara is scary. Has a fox.
No. Come again. Tara is. Try again. See.
Tara is as sly as a fox.
Tara is
Very
as
good.
sly as a fox.
Yes. Now you are there. Okay. So whenever you are going to use any phrase or any idiom, don't split. Don't cut it. Use whole. Okay. And whatever you are going to see, now compare. Okay. This is what we are comparing. So this is an idiom and you are comparing with a person. Okay. It can be a woman, it can be a man, it can be a girl or a boy. So put its name before this and then use the whole idiom. So you are using this in the context, in the reference, in the situation. Now, one more time, I want a student who has not participated will read all this for me. Okay. Farhan, will you read it? Farhan is raising his hand. So all, okay, one by one, all you have to read it. Who will read it?
Teacher, I.
Teacher me.
Uh,
As blind as a bat.
I can't see
As
your name. Wait,
As
one.
busy,
Uh-huh.
as
can I
busy,
say?
as busy as a bee, as hungry
As hungry as a
Okay,
bear.
now
As
other
free
thing is,
as teacher, as free as
as
a bird.
blind as a bat, as busy as a bee, as hungry
As
as a deer,
as
The
as
dog.
as
free as
sly
a
as
bird,
a fox.
as
As quiet
as
as a
As
as
mouse.
a dog,
As wise
as
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 an
mouse.
owl.
As
fox,
wise and
as
okay.
quiet as a mouse, as wise and an
an
owl.
As quiet
Okay.
as a mouse.
Wow. Good. That's really very cool. Okay. Now, here is something new. Now see, here some idioms you can see on the left hand side and its meaning given. So now I
Yes,
want,
teacher.
see, I want you should follow a discipline, okay? When one is reading, other will not speak. And when one will, wait, let me finish my instructions. When one will finish reading, only one idiom you have to read and next is its meaning you have to read, okay? Then you will stop. Then other person will speak. Other person will speak, okay? So you will follow the rule. I can't see you here now, but when one will read idiom and its meaning, and then he will mute himself, okay? Then other will read, okay? Got it? And when other will finish reading the second idiom and its meaning, he will or she will mute herself, okay? Start now, one at a time, go.
Teacher, can I say?
Yes,
Like a fish out of water.
yes.
To be uncomfortable in particular si-
In a
situation.
particular situation, it means if you put a fish out of water, what is the situation? Will fish will be like alive or he will die? What will happen?
He
If
will die.
die, it means the situation is not comfortable for a fish to live, because always we can see fish is a sea animal, water animal. So when you are there in a situation that is not comfortable for you, it means it's like a fish out of water. If you visit to your native place to make them Gawat Gilat and there is no internet, no phone at all, and if there you are for 8 to 10 days, think about the situation and condition, how you will react. So it will like that. I am like a fish out of water here. Okay, good. Now next,
Can I say?
other person. Okay, yes. One at a time. Okay.
Hold your horses, wait
Yes.
and be
Patient.
patient. My
Wait.
teacher mic mute झाला होता.
Okay. Hold your horses. Wait and be patient means what? When you are saying like this, see, many people are, they want to speak like you all
Teacher,
children.
धीर
Okay.
धरणे. थोडा वेळ
Okay.
थांबणे.
Wait and be
Patient
patient.
means wait a minute.
Yes, wait a minute or wait, don't jump. See, like when I ask you to speak, ask you to read, then many people, two, three, you just come together and you start. But you have to wait. Hold your horses means wait and be patient. Let the others speak. Okay. Or whatever you are thinking, for wait to, you have to wait a while and then see. Okay. So don't jump, don't rush, that it means. Now next, who has not read will read. Yes, please. You can
Cash
take
cow.
your name.
Can I
After that,
Cash
huh?
cow. Cash cow.
catnap or
A
short
good
sleep?
to
One at a
make
time.
money.
Cash cow means what?
A good way to make money.
A good
Yes,
way
cash.
to make money.
Yes, something like that. Any business, something like that is making a high profit. That is a good way to make money. Whatever policy or strategy you are going to use, if it is giving you a big money, then it is a cash cow. Okay. Now next,
I can say
Teacher, can I say?
a
Yes,
short
please.
cat nap, a short sleep.
Yes, cat nap means a very short sleep. Nap means sleep. So if you are taking very short sleep like 20 minutes,
Thoda
30
minute.
minutes and you are fresh like that, then you can say, I will just have a cat nap. I am too tired and then I'll be back. So cat nap. Okay, next.
Teacher,
Every
can
time
I say?
I want every time a new person, a new student to read, huh? Okay,
Teacher,
new
can
one.
I say?
Yes.
Get the lion's share. Get the greatest
Percentage. Greatest
percentage.
yeah. Lion's share means a big share. See, if you are working together, 3-4 people are working together, so it is obvious that each one should get equal part. Okay, but somebody says, I have given you that much time, too much hard work is done by me, so I want the lion's share. It means if there is a profit and if it is going to 25% for 4, but I'm saying that as I devoted, I have done a great job, too much hard work, then I should need the lion's share. Means I need more than my share. What is 25%? I need more than that. So I will say I want to get the lion's share. Next.
I can read.
Yes, please.
Kill two birds with one stone.
Yes. And the meaning is?
Get two things done at once.
Yes. Can you tell me the meaning of this?
एका तीरातून दोन
एका दगडात दोन पक्षी मारतो.
Very
तुकडे.
good,
एक घाव
very
दोन
good.
तुकडे.
म्हणजे काय समजलं तुम्हाला मला सांगायचं
टीचर एकदाच काहीतरी करायचं पण त्याच्यात आपली दोन कामे
दोन फायदे व्हावेत.
It means you are saving time. You are doing a task and you are getting your 2 jobs done. Okay. एकाच वेळेला 2 कामं तुम्ही करून घेताय. So you are saving your time. Okay. What next?
Can I say, ma'am?
Yes.
Teacher, can I say?
Loaded
Loaded for bear,
fear.
prepared for problem, well prepared for
One at
a
a time.
challenge.
One at a time. Loaded for
Can
bear
I say?
means
Prepared to problems.
Prepared for problems, well prepared for a challenge.
It means prepare for the problem since ready to take challenge, like ready to face any situation, well prepared. Okay, good. Shimon Mohite, मॅडम आपण यांना देऊ शकतो का विचारायला? Raise hand. Flew the coop.
No.
Coop. Flew the coop. Coop means where we keep our hens and cocks, that is coop. Okay, see, like this, we make a shelter for cock or hen. So that is called coop. So it is escape, left, flew the coop. कोंबडी कुऱ्हाडातून उडाली. Okay, so flew the coop, escape, left from the situation.
To the bird.
Got free. Okay, next.
Get
What is next?
someone's
Someone's got to irritate someone
deeply.
Yes, to irritate someone deeply means to like tease somebody like, but that is not teasing for just a while, but it is like irritating deeply, means too much irritation, too much teasing.
I irritate the hen.
And fat cat means
A highly placed, well paid, highly placed,
executive means a person who is carrying a fat salary and he is at the highest post, means who is a big officer, big person, and carrying means getting a well paid, big salary, huge amount. That is called he is a fat cat. Next.
Teacher means actor.
हाँ means
Actor.
wait, what happened? Just a minute. Huh?
Unmute केली मुठच केले बंद आहे
बंद केला आज
Ma'am, you are a mute.
Yes, I know.
Ma'am,
Wait,
you are
I'm
on
searching. So
अरे ओपन केल्यावर तुम्ही
हो
बोलू शकतो
Ma'am, you again on the mute.
yes, okay. Now see, this is an exercise. Okay, find at least three suitable objects for the following action words. I want you to take down some words. Do you have a notebook? Hello.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
please take down 4-5 words. These all are verbs. Okay, just take it down first. Take 3 or 4, any randomly. Huh? Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Not all, but I asked you to.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now we will go next.
Ma'am, you are mute. Ma'am, you are mute.
Ma'am, you are on mute.
Ma'am, your screen is not sharing.
Yes, I am doing the same.
Yes, ma'am. Now see.
Yes, teacher.
Now see, here one word is done. Sharpen scissors. Scissors means what?
Kanchi,
You use that object to cut. Yes. Scissors. Tusk means what?
Sule.
means
Teacher.
teeth.
Yes.
Teeth.
Some animals have teeth and they are
Elephant's
long.
teeth.
That is called tusk. Animal's teeth. That is tusk. Knife, you know, this is we
Knife
use to
means
cut.
we cut vegetable. That
Yes,
is knife.
very good. So sharpen a knife when your knife is blunt. त्याची धार जाते ना. So when it
हो
becomes
teacher.
blunt, we
आई
need to
लावून
sharpen
आणते त्या
it like
सुरीला
this.
दाहर.
Okay. And again, when your pencil is blunt, its tip
We
is blunt.
sharpen it.
Yes, you sharpen it. Okay. So sharpen means to make it sharp. Sharpen means to make it sharp. Okay. So that you can write easily. Your pencil will glide. Now, sharpen your mind means what?
Never mind.
Huh.
Never mind.
No, sharpen your minds means you have to give some work to your mind. You have to use your brain. That is sharpen your mind or sharpen your brain. Now see here, one word is there. One verb is there. That is throw.
Throw.
You are going to give me suitable noun. Throw. Now give me a noun.
Throw a
What is
ball.
Throw a ball.
Throw a
Okay.
shirt or t-shirt.
Throw a stone.
Throw a
Stone.
Mom first.
just
Throw
yes.
your pencil.
Throw your pencil. Okay. Next.
Throw
Very
your
good.
Throw
bag.
seeds balls.
Ma'am, throw your bag.
Then okay.
Throw a spoon.
Throw a spoon. Yes. Throw a spoon. Very good. And
Throw a
Throw a
ball.
leg. Store.
okay. Very good. Now here.
Throw a flower.
Very good. Now here is throw verb. Okay. Take another word here. Take another word here.
Open. Open.
Open. Okay. I am writing open. Here.
Yes, teacher.
Open door. Open window.
Open the door.
Open the book.
Open
Okay.
the
Open the bag.
Open the
Open
window.
the
Open the
light.
door.
Open your compost box.
Open the bottle.
Open the
Open the
compost.
tiffin.
Okay.
Open the
Open the pen.
Open
Open
is
the
there.
book.
Teacher, open the mouth.
Open the
First is open the mouth. Open the mouth.
Open the mouse means which mouse?
Open the third
Teacher,
lesson.
mouth.
Open the
Tone.
door.
Which
The
mouse?
The
Which
third
mouse?
lesson.
Open the
Teacher, no mouse. I say mouth.
Mouth.
Mouth,
Very
mouth.
good. Yes, yes. Open your mouth. Very good. So mouth. And then
Open your book.
Open the
Very
door.
Teacher, open the window.
very good. Open the
Open
window.
door.
Very nice.
Open the book.
Now
Open the book.
okay. Now another verb. Another verb.
Clothes. Clothes.
Close. Okay. So
Yes, teacher,
another
close.
verb is close.
Close your eyes.
Uh-huh.
Close your eyes.
Close the
Yes.
book.
Close your
Close the
mouth.
door. Close the window.
Close
Close
the
the
book.
pen. Close the mouth.
Close the compost box. Close the bag.
Close the
Very good. So you are really, really very good. And here we
wash, Mama B.
very good. So thank you very much. You all did well,
Thank
really
you,
well.
teacher.
Now in
Thank
your
you,
group,
teacher.
I will, yes, thank you so much. In your group, I will share you a link that is Google form and you will do the test. Okay. So that is your homework.
Please, ma'am, don't stop this lecture.
Don't
Stop this lecture.
Arre baapre. Now there is another lecture waiting for you. Tomorrow we are going to meet again. So we'll meet tomorrow
Yes,
again.
teacher.
Please, ma'am.
Thank you.